leader of the Opposition and Workers' Party Chief Pritam Singh, remains eligible to contest the upcoming general election, as his conviction and penalties do not meet the disqualification criteria under Singapore's constitution. The Elections Department confirmed this in a statement following Singh's sentencing on 17 February. Singh was found guilty of 2 charges of lying to Parliament. During a Committee of Privileges inquiry into former WP MP Raisar Khan's conduct. The state court fined him 14,000 Singapore dollars in total, 7,000 Singapore dollars for each charge, the maximum penalty under the law. According to the ELD, disqualification as a Member of Parliament applies only if an individual is sentenced to at least 1 year of imprisonment, or fined at least 10,000 Singapore dollars for a single offence. As each of Singh's fines falls below this threshold, he remains qualified to serve as an MP and contest future elections. The ELD also clarified that sentences for separate offences cannot be combined to disqualify an individual. During sentencing, the prosecution sought the maximum fine of 7,000 Singapore dollars per charge, arguing that Singh's false testimony had wasted public resources and undermined parliamentary integrity. The court agreed, citing aggravating factors such as Singh's failure to correct his statements and his role as a senior political leader. Judge Luke Tan referenced legal precedents, including the case of Joe Ying Chia, and considered Section 182 of the Penal Code, which deals with providing false information to public officials. The court ruled that Singh had knowingly given false testimony and had not taken steps to rectify the falsehoods. As a result, the maximum fine was imposed, with a default sentence of 1 month's imprisonment if the fine is not paid. Following the sentencing, Singh announced his intention to appeal both the conviction and the sentence. He also published his legal defence submissions on the Leader of the Opposition's website, stating that the public should have access to his arguments. In his statement on Facebook, Singh criticised the COP's evidence-gathering process, particularly testimonies from Low Pei Ying and Yudhishthira Nathan, both former WP members and associates of Raisar Khan. He argued that the trial had revealed new facts not previously considered by the COP, including his rejection of Low and Yudhishthira's alleged efforts to cover up Khan's falsehood, his consistent urging of Khan to substantiate her anecdote before Parliament, his lack of coordination with Low and Yudhishthira prior to the COP hearings, and his non-involvement in message deletions related to the investigation. Singh also questioned the credibility of the prosecution's key witnesses, pointing out that Khan had previously lied in Parliament and that Low and Yudhishthira had allegedly concealed evidence. Despite the conviction, Singh reiterated that he had acted transparently throughout the case. His legal team will review the court's written judgment before proceeding with the appeal. Speaking outside of the court following the verdict, Singh said that he intends to contest in the upcoming general election. The case stems from a false statement made by former WP MP Raisar Khan in Parliament on 3 August 2021. She claimed to have accompanied a sexual assault survivor to the police station and alleged that officers had mishandled the case. She later admitted on 1 November 2021 that her account was untrue. A COP inquiry into the matter found that Singh had provided false testimony regarding his communications with Khan. This led to criminal charges being filed against him, culminating in his conviction. As Singh prepares to appeal, the case remains a significant development in Singapore's political landscape, with the next general election being anticipated to be held as early as May.